Welcome back to the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. I'm Chef Erica, and thanks so much for joining me today here in our beautiful outdoor set. So it's summertime, it's grilling season. What's more delicious with your grilled meat items than a nice tangy, zesty, spicy salsa to go with them? And also, what would you drink with that? I would say maybe like a margarita. So what I'm gonna do today is sort of a combo of both of those things. I'm going to make a delicious, tangy, grilled pineapple salsa that has a little bit of tequila in it. So we're kind of hitting both bases there. First thing I did was take some pineapple and I cut it like almost into steaks, like big slabs like this. And I'm gonna brush that pineapple with a little bit of oil, not too much because I don't want it to get too smoky on the grill. And then I am gonna brush it with a tiny bit of tequila. So this is alcohol, it's gonna go on the grill, but it's a teeny bit so we don't get, you know, big fire. Just a little tiny bit of tequila on there. We'll use a little bit more at the end. And then some coarse kosher salt. And I'm going to be putting this on a charcoal grill. You can do it on your gas grill. If you don't have any grill, you could pop it under your broiler and that would be delicious also. And then I'm gonna mix it with some lime juice, red wine vinegar, some chopped red onion, some smoked paprika, and this spice that I love called tahini. It's a blend of chilies and sugar and a couple other things that secret that I love, and some oranges. And the orange is also gonna help kind of mention that margarita flavor. It's like a little nod to our margarita. Okay, so my grill is nice and hot. I have my pineapple ready to go, so I'm opening up that grill. I'm just gonna lay this on there. And I'm just looking to get some cosmetic char on the pineapple. I'm not really looking to cook this pineapple at all. I'm really just looking to get grill flavor on it. There we go. We're good. So it did start to rain while I was grilling. This is South Florida after all. Got a little rainy out there, so I dried off and we came inside and we'll just finish this up now. So here is my grilled pineapple. And all I'm gonna do with this now is cut it into small dice. And when I make things like salsas, I like to cut stuff fairly small because I don't want big chunks that will kind of fall off my taco if I'm garnishing with it, or if I'm using chips, I wanna be able to scoop it up. So I'm going pretty small there. It's nice small dice of that grilled pineapple. I'm gonna put that in a bowl. So now I'm going to add some finely diced red onion. I just love that combo of the red onion and the pineapple, plus the colors look pretty great. And let's add some tahini. So tahini is a spice mixture, and we're gonna put some of that in. It's like chilies and sugar and salt and some secret magic, and I love it. And we'll also add a little bit of smoked paprika, one of my favorite things to cook with. Get that all mixed in. And some kosher salt. And then this is lime juice, because remember, this is sort of a play on a margarita. So I have my pineapple, but I also have lime juice. I'm gonna add some oranges. So these are slices of orange from an orange where I just cut the skin off by going around the sides. And all I'm doing with this is I'm just gonna quarter them like that. I don't want them to fall apart too much, because then they just sort of get loose and crumbly. So some oranges in there. This looks really good. And then a little splash of red wine vinegar, because we have acidity here from the oranges and the pineapple, but it's also kind of sweet. So I wanna make sure we're acidic enough. That's why I also added that lime juice. And then, what did I forget? Oh, a teeny little bit more of that tequila. And of course, you know, if you're making this for kids, you could leave the tequila out, or maybe double it. Put some tequila in there. And then lastly, this is fresh oregano, which is an herb that not everybody uses very much, but I think it's really nice in this because this is kind of a Mexican inspired flavor profile. Let's put some oregano in there. It's used a lot in Mexico. Just chop that up. You could do cilantro too if you wanted. Okay, and let's stir that one up and give it a taste. Good, this would be so good on like a grilled hanger steak taco, or maybe like with some fried fish on a tortilla. It'd be really great. Okay, let's taste. Woo! Oh, that's good. Ooh, I went a little heavy with the tahini. It's great. It's got a little burn in the back of the throat. It's acidic, it's spicy, it's tangy. Got a little bit of that tequila. That is delicious, I must say. It's very intense, it's very bold, but it's really good. You know what else you could do is use this as a salad, sort of like on a bed of lettuce, and turn it into like a whole salad. You could put like cold poached salmon or chicken on there, or a cold sliced grilled steak would be amazing. So there you go. That is my grilled pineapple salsa, Margarita inspired salsa. Thanks so much for joining me here again today in the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen, indoor, outdoor, and rainstorm edition. I'm Chef Erica. Remember that we have new culinary content every Sunday on our YouTube channel at 2 p.m. And also check out our website where you can see all the incredible products that we sell, plus new content at prairiestreet.co. And we are now branching out into all sorts of other culinary content, not just meat, obviously. So you'll see me and all of our other chefs teaching you lots of great cooking over the next few months. So thanks again. We'll see you soon.
Subscribe to our channel now and set your notifications so you don't miss our latest recipes and chef-led tutorials. Then head over to prairiestreet.co to shop for your next big meal.